This tutorial will cover the installation of the Kahua Windows Desktop Application. Once you are logged into Kahua, click on your name or initials in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Download Kahua for Windows. The installation application will automatically start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and click on the file. The installer will then prompt you to install. If you click the checkbox for Launch when ready, Kahua will launch the application on successful completion of the install. Click Install. The Kahua Desktop Application will launch. At the sign-in screen, enter your email address and click the right arrow. The sign-in window will then update with your account information. Click the Sign In button. If you are prompted for a password, enter it. Kahua will then redirect you to this main Kahua application page. You have now installed and signed in to the desktop application.